everyone! Jai Hind! Transform your skills in just 1 week. Start with basics on Monday, master SEO Tuesday, then social media, content, email, and PPC. Finish with analytics on Sunday. Follow this clear daily plan. Stay consistent. Your digital marketing journey begins now. Confused about where to start with digital marketing? Let's begin with the foundation. Digital marketing uses online strategies to promote products and reach your audience. Its key benefits: cost-effective, measurable, targeted, and global. Core components include SEO, content, social media, email, ads, and analytics. Start learning today with online tutorials and blogs. Your journey begins with the basics. Still wondering why some websites rank on Google while others stay invisible? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website so search engines like Google can easily find, understand, and rank it. When your SEO is strong, your site appears higher in search results, bringing in more organic traffic without paying for ads. It focuses on the right keywords, quality content, fast loading speed, mobile friendliness, and trusted backlinks. Over time, SEO builds credibility, improves user experience, and delivers long-term growth for your business online. Posting daily, but still not getting results from social media? Social media marketing is about more than just posting photos or reels. It's how brands connect with people, build trust, and turn followers into customers. When done right, it helps increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and generate real leads and sales. The key is consistent posting, valuable content, and genuine engagement. By tracking performance with analytics and adjusting your strategy, social media becomes a powerful growth tool, not just a time pass. Posting content but still not getting leads or trust? Content marketing is not about selling every day, it's about helping first. When you create useful blogs, videos, or guides, people start trusting your brand. That trust slowly turns into leads and sales. Good content educates your audience, answers real questions, and positions you as an expert. By understanding who you're talking to and planning content consistently, your content works for you 24/7, attracting the right audience and converting them naturally over time. If you stop learning, you stop growing in freelancing. Friday is not just for relaxing, it's for upgrading yourself. The digital marketing world changes every day, and only those who keep learning stay ahead. SEO improves visibility, content builds trust, social media increases reach, and analytics helps you make smarter decisions. Learning new skills means offering more services, attracting better clients, and increasing income. Use courses, tutorials, and industry blogs to upgrade yourself, because when learning stops, growth and earnings stop too. Your network decides your next client. Saturday is the perfect day to focus on building real connections, not just finding work. Networking helps you discover new opportunities, build trust, and turn one-time projects into long-term clients. When people know, trust, and remember you, referrals come naturally. Use social media to engage, freelance platforms to pitch smartly, and events to meet like-minded professionals. Be friendly, professional, and always follow up, because strong relationships grow freelancing businesses faster than cold pitches ever can. What you track is what you grow. Sunday is the right time to pause, review, and take control of your freelance income. Tracking earnings helps you stay organized, understand your real progress, control expenses, and plan better for taxes and savings. When income is managed properly, stress reduces and decisions become smarter. Set clear financial goals, log every earning, monitor expenses, and always keep savings aside. Use simple tools like spreadsheets, invoicing apps, or budgeting software, because managing money wisely today builds financial stability and freedom for tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you felt about it.